everyone, welcome back to Crick with Glio. Well, today's vlog is going to be about the upcoming two-match test series, that is Bangladesh tour of New Zealand. New Zealand will take on Bangladesh in a two-match test series which will be on the New Year's Day, and the match will be at Bay Oval at 3:30 AM local time, that is Indian Standard Time. Let's have a look at the head-to-head stats and records between these both teams, New Zealand and Bangladesh. In the last 5 matches between these two teams, New Zealand have won 4 matches out of 5 matches, while the one match ended up with a draw. Bangladesh's last test victory came in the month of July this year, and that was against Zimbabwe. After that, they were defeated for 2-0 in their home against Pakistan. Well, Bangladesh's test record has been very disappointing with only 2 victories in the past 14 matches. Well, it's really going to be very interesting to see this Bangladesh squad, how they will be performing with the mighty Black Caps. On the other hand, in this format, New Zealand's performance has been extraordinary, with winning 8 matches in their past 12 matches, including 2021's World Test Championship Finals, which was against India. Meanwhile, in the absence of New Zealand's regular skipper Kane Williamson, unfortunately not available in this series due to his elbow injury, well, Tom Latham has been named as Test captain of this series. It's really disappointing to know that the star player Ajaz Patel, who took perfect 10 wickets in his last test match against India, has been left out from the squad. It's really fishy to know that Ajaz Patel has not been picked up. What might be the exact reason behind this? If you have something to share, do share down below in the comment box. Well, according to me, I think the reason must be because of the pitch condition in New Zealand. The pitch condition in New Zealand is more favorable to the swing bowlers. So with that, Trent Boult and Matt Henry are back in the squad after being rested for the test match in India. So guys, coming into Bangladesh playing 11, with the key players to be watched out would be the captain Mominul Haq, Mushfiqur Rahim and Taskin Ahmed. In the other hand, New Zealand's playing 11. The key players would be Ross Taylor, Tom Latham and Trent Boult. This series will be special for another reason, as veteran batter Ross Taylor will play his last test series. According to the head-to-head stats, it's very much clear that New Zealand has more chances to win against Bangladesh in the test match. Well, moreover, the Tigers have never defeated the Black Caps in this format. The pitch in Bay Oval is quite balanced pitch, so the batsmen need to be very patient while playing the stroke, and the bowlers will get the seam moment throughout the course of the match. According to the current weather report, the weather will remain sunny, pleasant and warm throughout the day, and that's a very good news for both the sides. So I'm gonna wind up this topic for now. If you like this video, if you found this video informative, then please like this video and share it with your friends as well, and also like my channel, also subscribe my channel. I'm tired of this dialogue, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.